Hi everyone, I am Sumant. In this video, let's discuss the important concept in Python, that is the special variable called double underscore name. So, before going to this, I just want to say you that up to now we have discussed this all the Python concepts in Jupyter Notebook, but to explain this concept, it will be very easy to understand in some IDE. Right, when compared to this Jupyter Notebook, it will be easy to understand in this. So I'm just explaining in this PyCharm. So the main agenda is to understand the different, to understand this double underscore name and double underscore main. So first I will just print this double underscore name. Now if I just run this, you can see when I just print double underscore name, here you can see at the bottom in the console I got double underscore main. So this is a special variable. Double underscore name is a special kind of variable, so that only we are just mentioning double underscores before and after the variable. So what's the use of this means? In other programming languages we have that particular, we used to have the main function and sub functions like that, right? We used to have such kind of things. In Python, this double underscore name indicates that that particular module is the beginning of the, it's the beginning of the program. So if you want to understand it clearly, if you are writing a code for a big project, you used to write those within modules, right? We used to separate the program, we used to separate that project, and we used to write modules, and we used to combine all those modules to one particular module, right, at the beginning. So first if you just run that module, the entire project will get run. So in order to make sure that, in order to say that this is the first starting point of the project, we used to use this double underscore name. And also there are some other advantages, we will discuss those in the later stage. So you can see if I just try to print this, I got double underscore main. It means we are running this particular module. So you can see here I have another module, I have another Python file, other module file 2.py. Here I am just importing import file. You can see here import file, I have just given import file 1. Now if I just try to run this file, you can see instead of double underscore main, now I got file 1. It means we are not running that particular file, right? We are just running this file, but we are running the double underscore name which is imported from file 1. So that's the reason we are getting file 1 as double underscore name. So that you have to understand. Whenever we are running a particular module, then double underscore name will be equal to double underscore main. Or if you are importing that particular module to some other module, then the double underscore name will be equal to the name of that module which you have imported. So that you have to understand. So generally we used to see in a lot of projects, right? When we used to write some projects, we used to see, right, if double underscore name equal to double underscore main, run this function or run this app, like that we used to see, right? So what's the meaning of that? Let's try to understand that. So instead of this print name, so here I'm just writing some method def sum of, and here I'm just giving some two variables arguments as a comma b, and I'm just printing the sum of those two variables. And here you can see I'm just giving if double underscore name equal to double underscore main, and you can see I'm just calling that function sum of, and here I'm just giving two values as 2, 4. So let's understand this. Now first I'm just trying to run this file, run this module. You can see here at the console we got 6 as an output. So now let's understand how we got this. So what it will do means, first it will just check if double underscore name equal to double underscore main, then it will just call the sum of function which you have created here. So we are just running this file itself, right? I'm just running this file. I'm not importing this function from some other file, right? I'm not importing this method from some other module. So When we are doing that, then the double underscore name equal to double underscore main. So that's the reason why I got, like, I can able to access this, I can able to run this function within the if condition. So for example, let's say here I'm just importing the file, right? Import file 1, I'm just importing. Now if I just try to run this, you can see we don't, like, we didn't get any output, right? It means why we didn't get, it means when we are, I've said you, right, when we are importing some module, then the double underscore name will be equal to the name of that particular file. Now the double underscore name equal to file 1, right? So what it will do means, first it will just come here, it will just check whether this double underscore name equal to double underscore main. Now when we are just trying to import this file 1, like the double underscore name is equal to file 1, which is not equal to main, right? Which is not equal to double underscore main. So it will not come here and it won't call this. So that you have to understand this. So in order to better understanding, I'll just give else statement here. Else print. You can see I'm just given some print statement like else print double underscore name is not equal to double underscore main. Now if I just try to run this again, file 2, you can see here now we can able to access like double underscore name is not equal to double underscore main. So I hope you understood what's this double underscore name, the special variable. And you may ask, what's the real world application of this double underscore name? I've said you, right, at the beginning, in order to mention that this is the starting of our program. So that's one usage. And the other thing is, right, the other thing is, for example, let's say in this module, in this file 1 module, you want to secure some functions and you want to expose some functions, right? For example, let's say I'll just write print hello, right? Now if I just try to run this file 1, file 2 again, you can see now I got like hello and double underscore name is not equal to double underscore main, which means we are just securing this function sum of, right? We are just securing this function. Even in that case it will be useful. So that's the usage of this double underscore name and the special variable. And I hope you understood this. So if you understood the video, like the video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.